Ever wondered what separates the wealthy from the rest? The answer is in their daily habits. The wealthy don't just stumble upon their fortunes, they cultivate a mindset that creates space for prosperity. This is the wealthy mindset, and it's not as elusive as you might think. Let's delve into the mind of the affluent. They see money not as an end goal, but as a tool, a means to create opportunities and experiences. They understand the power of money, but they don't let it control them. The wealthy also approach risk differently. They embrace it, they learn from it, and they use it to propel themselves forward. Failure is not a deterrent, but an opportunity for growth. And opportunities? The wealthy don't wait for them to knock. They seek them out, they create them, they seize them. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the mindset. How much do you really know about money? Money isn't just about earning and spending. It's a tool that, when understood and used wisely, can generate more wealth. This is where financial education steps in, a crucial element that separates the rich from the rest. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. They continually educate themselves about the intricacies of investing, the nuances of taxes, and the art of financial management. Financial education isn't about becoming a financial expert overnight, but rather about understanding the basics and continually learning. It's about knowing where your money is going, how to manage debt, how to increase your wealth through investments, and how to legally and ethically reduce your tax burden. In the grand scheme of wealth creation, financial education is not just important, it's indispensable. Remember, in the world of finance, ignorance isn't bliss, it's expensive. Knowledge is the best investment you can make. Working hard or working smart? That's the question we're looking at today. When we talk about income, we usually think about the paycheck we receive from our jobs. This is what we call active income. It's the money you earn by exchanging your time and skills. But what about passive income? Passive income is the money you earn without actively working for it. It could be from rental properties, investments, or even royalties from a book you wrote years ago. The beauty of passive income is that it's like a river that keeps flowing, even when you're not paddling. The wealthy understand the power of passive income. They know that time is a limited resource, so they focus on creating income streams that don't require their constant attention. They invest in assets that earn them money while they sleep, dine, or even vacation. The difference between the rich and the poor often lies in their income strategies. True wealth comes from earning while you sleep. Do you know where your money is going? That's a question wealthy individuals ask themselves regularly. They understand that every dollar is a seed that, when planted wisely, can grow into a mighty tree of wealth. This is the magic of investing. Wealthy individuals know the power of compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world, as Einstein famously put it. It's about making your money work for you, multiplying over time. But it's not just about throwing your money into any random venture. It's about diversification, spreading your seeds across multiple fields. This tactic minimizes risk and capitalizes on various market sectors' growth. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket, ensuring your financial stability even when one investment doesn't perform as expected. Rich people don't just work hard for their money. They make their money work hard for them. They invest wisely and patiently, understanding that wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Investing is the key to financial freedom. Who's in your circle? The wealthy understand that the company they keep can either elevate or hinder their financial growth. They don't just build relationships, they cultivate networks of power and support. Imagine a spider web, each strand representing a connection. The more strands, the stronger the web. The same applies to networks. Rich people often surround themselves with like-minded individuals, those who are forward-thinking, innovative, and successful. They understand that these relationships can open doors to opportunities that might not have been available otherwise. These networks become a platform for sharing ideas, gaining insights, and even creating partnerships. But remember, networking isn't about taking. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships. It's about offering help as much as seeking it. It's about growing together, so take a look around you. Are the people in your circle helping you grow, or are they holding you back? Your network is your net worth. The power of networking cannot be underestimated. It's time to start building yours. What are your goals? It's a question that can seem daunting. But for the affluent, it's a question that fuels their every decision. They don't just dream about the future, they set clear, specific financial goals. They understand that success isn't a vague destination, but a well-defined finish line. Imagine sailing a ship without a compass. You're likely to get lost in the vast sea. But with a compass guiding your path and a map in your hand, you can navigate through the toughest storms. That's what goals are for the rich. They are the compass and the map that guide them to their financial destination. They know where they want to go, and they have a plan to get there. And they don't just set these goals, they commit to them. They write them down, they visualize them, they work on them every day. Goals are the roadmap to success. Without them, you're merely drifting, but with them, you're steering your life towards financial prosperity. Ever thought about the impact of your wealth? Now let's delve into a topic that's close to the heart: giving back. It's no secret that the affluent understand the significance of using their wealth to make a difference. They comprehend the ripple effect that their actions can cause. They appreciate that their financial power can serve as a catalyst for change, and they don't shy away from this responsibility. In fact, they embrace it. This is not about charity alone. It's about investing in communities, funding research, supporting the arts, and fostering education. It's about creating opportunities for others to succeed. And it's not just about writing checks. It's about using their influence to advocate for causes they believe in. Rich people know that their wealth has the potential to transform lives, communities, even the world, and they're not hesitant to put their money where their heart is, because they understand that true wealth is about more than just money. Ready for the final key to wealth? Here it is: perseverance and resilience. These two words may seem simple, but their impact in wealth creation is monumental. Rich people understand that wealth creation is not a one-time event. It's not a destination you arrive at by following a roadmap. Rather, it's a journey. It's an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and an unwavering drive to keep moving forward. Think of it like climbing a mountain. The path to the top is filled with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. But the successful ones, the wealthy ones, they don't give up. They push through the challenges, they persevere, they dust themselves off after a fall, and with resilience, they continue the climb. Because they know the view from the top is worth it. So equip yourself with perseverance and resilience, and you'll be well on your way to wealth. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to subscribe to the Extra Pursue YouTube channel for more insights.